switch up in the game. Can't make them tell me what to say. Can't make them tell me how to pray. I can't be the only one who's excited to call your name. I can't be the only one who's a Christian and unashamed. I know I'm not the only one not addicted to likes and fame. Oh, but if that were the case, you would stay first. It's impossible to feel this way and keep it on the inside. All the things you did for me that I couldn't do for me, that is why I wear this smile. And who knows, very few do. I've been at my lowest until you came through. The enemy had plans for me, but so do you, so do you. Hallelujah. When somebody saves your soul and makes you whole, you gotta scream and shout. My worship's at another place. If you don't understand, you're gonna put me out. But you might just have a hard time, cause I'm not me alone. Yeshua's been good too. Worshipers around the world, make it praise come true. Cause I can't be the only one who's excited to call your name. I can't be the only one who's a Christian and unashamed. I know I'm not the only one not interested in life and fame. Oh, but if that were the case, you would take first place. Jesus, can't quench my passion. Jesus, you're the reason for the blessings that I see. And even when times get hard, I'm okay. I feel your favor surrounding me. When everything fails and people need an answer, I hope I'll be there, my king, to lift you up like a banner. But you can't be the only one who's excited to call your name. Oh, I can't be the only one who's a Christian and unashamed. Yeah. I know I'm not the only one not addicted to likes and fame. Oh, but if that were the case, you would stay first. Jesus, the earth may shake and winds may blow, but you'll remain the same. Strongest love I've ever known, and power in your name. The weak find refuge in your arms, so every chance I get I'll write a song to tell of what you've done. But I can't be the only one who's excited to call your name, Jesus. I can't be the only one who's a Christian and unashamed. I know I'm not the only one not interested in life and fame. Oh, but if that were the case, you would stay first. Jesus, I can't be the only one who's excited. Shout it on the mountain tops, and I can't be the only one. I know I could never be alone. I know I'm not the only one not addicted to likes and fame. Oh.